moving to a new place? Here's how to update your city on Tinder. Let's go. First, open Tinder app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on edit icon located near your profile picture. Here, scroll down until you see living in section. Tap on it. Now, you can search for a city you want to change to. Then a list will be shown. Choose your city. Then tap save. If Tinder is not updating your city, restart the app or toggle your location permissions off or on. And that's it. Your Tinder location is now set. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.